अजीब तरह का फन भी था, कॉन्फिडेंस था पद्मिनी जी के होने से और पूनम जी के होने से, और उन यंगस्टर्स को देख के, उनकी एनर्जी को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा और इट्स अ लवली एक्सपीरियंस।
80s was magical. Different approach to work and different approach to friendship and the entire team, one big unit, one big family.
Everybody was looking Padmini. Electricity comes and
Okay,
I reveal to you, you are going to see a electric. Indian cinema has never shown the women is on a downtrodden kind of a person. दिल बेकरार इसलिए भी है कि ऑडियंस अब हमारे बारे में क्या कहती है।
Thank you so much for taking out time for this, Padmini ma'am, Raj sir. We are so happy to have you joining with us on E-Times today.
Thank you. We are as excited.
So, we get to see you both sharing the screen space together after decades. And with the trailer drop, Dil Bekarar has already raised its expectations. So, how has the response been so far? What are people telling you?
So I think I'll let Raji start first. कि राजी मैं बोलूं.
आप बोलो, कमाल कर रहे हो।
So fingers crossed. Yes, it has raised a lot of expectations, and I mean, I am equally excited about it. I'm looking forward to this show coming, and I want to watch it like as people go first day, first show.
Yeah.
I want to just sit there in front of my screen and watch the show. So I'm very excited, and well, all I can say is we worked very hard. The entire team has worked very hard from top to bottom, and I don't think we'll, I'm sure we can make them happy. We'll make us happy.
What about you, sir?
Aditi, this is a very exciting feeling because first time I'm sharing the digital platform or the medium. So I had done before that videos and something, what is that series from the houses, but not much. One episode. When Habib Sahib has narrated me this role and this subject, I was very excited. Of course, there was a big platform, Disney Plus Hotstar. So, on top of that, when I got this news, Padmini ji and the Poonam, they are also in the project. Also, this Seher and Akshay. So that was a very exciting kind of a thing, and of course, it is a great experience when we came on the set. So एक अजीब तरह का फन भी था, एक कॉन्फिडेंस था पद्मिनी जी के होने से और पूनम जी के होने से, और उन यंगस्टर्स को देख के, उनकी एनर्जी को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा और it's a lovely experience. We hope we could deliver the things what our director Faisal demanded from us. He is very meticulous, very particular about the things.
So, sir, as an actor who's known for cinemas and delivering spectacular hits, though, is your creative approach different for the web space in order to create that similar impact?
I don't think so, because an actor doesn't have any in mind that he is doing for some small screen or a big screen, or is performing for the stage. For an actor, I think it is the same kind of परफॉर्मेंस लेवल जो उसका है वो एक ही होता है। इमोट करने का तरीका जो है किसी भी रोल को, उसको समझ के रोल को, how do you understand that role, how you understand the subject, how you understand the requirement of the directors, what he wants. So these are the things are the same. So for us, for an actor, I don't think that any medium has any difference. Of course, there is technically lots of things are there. The people that technical people, they understand that and they work out with that. But we perform as an actor, and I think for me, it was a good experience because I was sharing the digital space.
True. What about you, ma'am?
So for me, because my role is so a little different than what I have been doing, I've done all kinds of roles and challenging roles and interesting roles. This again was a different, this had a different flavor, which required me mentally, personally within to kind of prepare. You know, the language was a little different, the dialect was different, and so it was a bit of a challenge personally. But then once one went on set and we had Habib sir as the director, I mean, it was a pretty easy flow for us. Yeah, so that's what.
So what was it about your character that attracted you to do the role?
It's different actually. Once, I mean, I do hope you get to watch the show. But it's you know what I'm talking about, because I can't really
because
explain
not much has been revealed about your role that way.
Right.
So, as the story revolves, especially around women in the 80s, and as one can see in the trailer, that women were actually way ahead in their times too. So, was it the same in the film industry as well back then?
I mean, the film industry, see, if you ask me and Raji, for 80s was magical,
Okay.
The way we worked, the way we, kind of sort of, how do you say, had this kind of a different approach to work and different approach to friendship, and the entire team. It was one big unit, one big family. I mean, now it is a massive family, of course. But, I mean, because I have just kind of stepped into the OTT, like this is my first OTT platform, and I'm so glad that I started with Disney Plus Hotstar. That's very sort of the entire project really, like Sobo Films, Nitish Shinde, Bobby Arora, and Habib Faisal sir, the director. We have a fantastic DOP, Rakesh on board, and again, like I said, Disney Plus Hotstar, great actors, Rajiv, Pulamji, who are like veterans of our industry. Then the youth, Akshay, Seher, Aditya, this being my son. So all of so it was like both, like it was a perfect balance, I would say. So it was great. I mean, I think we are trying to recreate the magic of 80s. Henna Raji?
Perfectly. Because the thing is this, whatever when you're asking, this I share everything what she was saying. But one thing I would like to say, she says I don't want to reveal, but I will just give you a hint about her role. Maybe I give my or not, but I'll give you. So you just wait and watch. I can just tell you when we were on the set and in character, everybody's eyes when the Padmini ji enters with her role or whatever the dialogues or it's an entry, everybody was looking Padmini. That Padmini was something which is like a electricity comes and now this is revealed to you. So you are going to see a electric.
I'm definitely looking forward to watch the show.
Oh God.
So again,
Aditi, I would like to say, Indian cinema always has they have a very all the women became with very empowered kind of a women. The cinema in Indian cinema has never shown the women is on a downtrodden kind of a person. So now you say from the beginning, either that film from the Mehboob Saabs or Raj Kapoor Sahab or B.R. Chopra Sahab, all the stalwarts you see, B. Shantaram. So now these are the people, they are the stalwarts, they are when you talk about the Indian cinema, so these are the people are there. So now we all have seen, we know that cinema through their eyes, through their work. So always the women in their cinema, always was very, very strong. And definitely in 80s, the more transit came in the cinema. That was a kind of realistic kind of a cinema came very strongly. No, there was a popular cinema. There was a realistic cinema before also. Shanta ji, Raj Kapoor Sahab, B.R. Sahab, बहुत सारे लोगों का बात है. मैं किसी के नाम एक का लूंगा, but the whole era of 70s, 80s का these new wave kind of a film came, and in that those films, lots of actors came, good actors like Shamana ji, Smita ji. You know, these were the actors. So now this is a whole thing, and now this is a I rate Padmani is one of them. Believe me, I'm not because of she's sitting there, but the role she has done and the variations of roles she has done. So now we all have seen, and that kind of an honor and respect we always had for the cinema, always had the Indian cinema, Hindi cinema especially. हमने हमेशा उस औरत के मान मर्यादा का एक स्ट्रांगली बहुत सम्मान भी हुआ यहाँ पर, और काम का भी, काम को लेकर भी और अदरवाइज भी. So I feel in this thing also, in this दिल बेकरार, वाकई ये दिल बेकरारी जो है इकट्ठी हो रही है इस वक्त. किस तरह से हम लोग अपना ये हमारा बेकरारी कुछ और है कि हम जो एक नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग है ना, जो सेट पे गए, जो सब्जेक्ट में थी, और जो हमें जो रोल मिले, सो ना द होल कंबाइंड थिंग्स आर देयर. और डेफिनेटली दिल बेकरार इसलिए भी है कि ऑडियंस अब हमारे बारे में क्या कहती है, बिकॉज समथिंग विच इज रियली 80s, as Padmani is told about, the 80s was a magical period.
Magical time, yeah.
That time was absolutely a magical time, because lots of lots of experiments were being started doing people, and good roles, good films. And everybody wants to prove. तो ना बहुत अच्छा आपस में एक स्ट्रगल भी था, खुशियां भी थी, and it's a very big family was there, belongings थी एक दूसरे के साथ में, तो अच्छा लगा. And that in Dil Bekarar, when you will see whatever the content is in this, is the innocence of that time.
Okay.
People used to believe that the honesty is the greatest thing.
Yeah.
Corruption is the evil.
Yeah.
That time, the heroism came, and that hero was to fight against the corruption. You see the cinema, you see the time, you see the in the society also. So that time, that era, today in Dil Bekarar, we see that. It's a very, very socio-relevant subject. Okay?
True.
Always the society ने हमेशा राम को माना है.
हाँ.
राम, everybody wants that idealistic.
Yes.
एक जो है हमारा बेटा हमारे घर में राम आए, मतलब राम जैसा आए, that others, that ideal.
Yes.
That ideal was being very strongly portrayed in 80s. Today also, we have a lots of things. That's why I feel that this Dil Bekarar is a slightly different what people talk about. मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं देखा, जितना भी देखा है काम आज प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर और otherwise. Now this will be definitely अलग, because ये एक इस दौर की बात कर रहा है जिस वक्त बहुत ही इनोसेंस है, बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी की बात हो रही है, जहाँ करप्शन कोई बिजनेस नहीं मान रहे, बल्कि करप्शन को वो इविल मान रहे हैं. And that is the fight, and the very idealistic kind of a fight है, लेकिन पता भी नहीं लगता कि रोमांस में और कॉमेडी में कब निकल गई.
अच्छा.
Actually, it's a wrong.
Yeah. So, what's the best part about working with each other? Anybody can go first.
For me, it was like
because I know you both go a long way.
I was actually reliving all those memories. Everything was, coming back. How we worked together. How we all sat together, and things like that. and had lunch or lunches and breakfast, and we sat together and prepared for a particular scene and things like that. Yeah.
What about you, sir?
For me, it was a really the whole thing front of me. I used to feel कि Padmani ji, Poonam ji, and these youngsters. So now, so when we used to eat together, so एक बहुत ही सेट के बीच में पहले जब होता है ना अक्सर के everybody wants to run away in the vanity. We wanted to sit together and just laugh. तो people used to see कि ये हंस क्यों रहे हैं, किस पे हंस रहे हैं, तो हंसते रहते थे. हम शॉट के बाद ये इंतजार करते थे हमें अब क्या बात कहनी है और आपस में किस बात को याद करके हंसना है या कोई भी. It is something which we were just remembering the things. तो दिमाग में जब आ जाती थी तो ओह ये बात याद है तुम्हें, वो बात याद है तुम्हें. So no, that kind of a thing we really enjoyed.
And we enjoyed it.
Beautiful experience. Yeah.